हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 जनरल साइंस के लेसन नंबर 5 की एक्सरसाइज देखने वाले हैं। लेसन का नाम है सब्सटेंसेस इन द सराउंडिंग्स, देयर स्टेट्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज़। दोस्तों, अगर आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना ताकि आपको अगले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। तो चलो हम आज के इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Question first is, in the paragraph below, write solid, liquid or gas in each of the brackets depending on the substance referred to just before. On a bright sunny day, Ria and Gargi are playing with a ball. Ball is solid. In the park, Gargi feels thirsty, so Ria brings tender coconut water. Coconut water is liquid for her. At the same time, a strong breeze is gas, starts blowing and it also begins to rain. Rain is a liquid. They run back into the house. House is solid. Change their clothes. Clothes is solid. And then their mother gives them a cup. A cup is solid of hot milk. Milk is liquid to drink. Question second, discuss. Ria pours some water from her bottle into another bottle. Does it change the shape of the water? Yes, it changes the shape of the water because water in the form of liquid and liquid has no shape of its own. It takes shape of the container in which the liquid is kept or pours. Halima picks up a small stone from the ground and put it in the water in a dish. Does the shape of the stone change? No, because stone in the form of solid and solid has a shape of its own which is retained. Question 3. Write the properties of these substances. Water. Water in liquid form is used by every living organism. In solid state, it turns into ice. In gaseous state, it is a vapor. Boiling point and condensation point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. The melting point and freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Many substances can dissolve in water, therefore it is called universal solvent. Glass. Glass is a solid substance. Silica or sand is melted to make glass. Brittleness is the characteristic feature of glass. If there is pressure on glass, it turns into fine particles. Chalk. Chalk is a solid substance. It is insoluble in water. Brittleness is a character of chalk. If pressure is applied, chalk forms fine particles. Iron ball. Iron is a solid metal. The iron has both malleability and ductility. The iron can be used to make sheets or wires. Many equipment are manufactured due to iron. Iron has electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity. Therefore, many machines are made of iron. Iron also has sonority. Sugar. Sugar is a solid and particular matter. Sugar is soluble in water. After dissolving in water, it forms sugar solution. Salt. Salt is particular solid chemical compound. It is soluble in water but insoluble in kerosene. It is salty to taste. It forms salt solution after dissolving in water. Flour. Flour is particulate and solid matter which is obtained after the grains are ground finely. It is insoluble in water. By adding water to the flour, a solid substance is prepared. Coal. Coal is solid substance that is inflammable. It is brittle and hence, if pressure is applied, it is crushed into particles. Coal is used as a fuel. Soil. Soil is a solid substance. It is a mixture of many soluble and insoluble substances. Pen. Pen is a man-made product made from plastic and metals. It contains the solution of ink so that we can write with it. Ink. Ink is a liquid substance. It is of different colors. Soap. Soap is of different types. Some soaps are solid while some are in liquid forms. Some soap are in the form of a block while some are in the form of powder. Soaps are soluble in water and they form soap solution. Soaps are made from different chemicals. Question 4. What is sublimation? Write the names of everyday substances that sublimate. Answer is the change in the solid substance upon heating directly into a gas or vapor without changing into liquid is called sublimation. The substances that show sublimation are camphor, naphthalene balls, iodine crystals, ammonium chloride or Navsagar. Question 5 is, what is it made from? Why? A sickle to cut sugarcane. Answer. The sickle used for cutting sugarcane are made from iron or other strong metals. Hardness, malleability and ductility are the characteristic of iron. Therefore, it is ideal to use it in making of sickle. For cutting the sugarcane, we need a strong equipment. The sheets used for roofing. The sheets used for roofing houses are made from aluminium. Aluminium is a metal that is light in weight and is durable and rust free. It can protect the house well from rains and sun. A screwdriver. Answer. The screwdriver is made from a good quality steel. Steel is a mixture of different metals. It is strong and is thus helpful in joining nuts and bolts. The work done by screwdriver thus becomes efficient. A pair of tongs. In olden times, a pair of tongs were made from iron, but now they are made from stainless steel, which is durable, strong and rust free. Usually in a kitchen, this equipment is used and hence it is made from high quality metals. Electric cables. Electric cables are either of copper or aluminium. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Therefore, most of the electric cables are made from copper. Ornaments. Ornaments are made from gold or silver. Nowadays, platinum is also used for making ornaments. All these metals have characteristic of ductility. Hence, they can be stretched and pulled in the form of wires. Making ornaments from these metals thus becomes easier. Diamonds are also studied in ornaments. Diamond is the hardest substance and has shine. Gold and silver has luster, which makes ornaments shine. Pots and pans. Pots and pans are made from different metals aluminum, stainless steel, and brass are the common choices. Cooking food becomes easier in them. All the metals have a characteristic of thermal conductivity. In pots of stainless steel, the chemical reaction with the food do not take place. Therefore, it becomes convenient to us such materials. Question 6. What will happen if and why? Nails are made of plastic. Answer. Nails should be made from metal that have characteristic of hardness. Plastic is a brittle substance. It cannot withstand hammering. Neither it can enter the material in which we may try to pierce them. Therefore, nails made of plastic cannot be used. A bell is made of wood. Answer. Sonority is the characteristic of metal. The sound produced by metal bell would be melodious. Similar sound cannot be produced by wooden bell, as wood does not have characteristic of sonority. Rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongues. Answer. Pair of tongues are made of metals. They will get heated due to thermal conductivity. During the use in the kitchen, if they are not fitted with rubber, they may cause burns. This can hurt us. A knife is made of wood. Answer. The wood is not metal and is thus not hard. The work of knife cannot be performed by the wooden knife. It cannot cut the object due to lack of hardness. An axe is made of rubber. Answer. Rubber is a substance having elasticity. The rubber axe will rebound when hit upon an object. The metal axe can perform a function as the metals are hard substances. The rubber axe will not be able to do this function. Question 7. Who am I? A. I am found in thermometer. I measure your temperature. Mercury. I make things hot or cold. Heat. I have no shape whatsoever. Liquid and gas. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Salt. Question 8. Why does this happen? Coconut oil thickens in winter. Answer. In winter, the temperature of air is less. At this temperature, the freezing point of coconut oil is reached. Therefore, it freezes and appears to be thickened. Kerosene left open in a dish disappears. The kerosene left in an open dish gets evaporated. The temperature of the surrounding has changed. This process of evaporation and thus the kerosene completely evaporates and disappears. The fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of a room spread to the other corner. Answer. When fragrance sticks are lighted, they emit fragrant smoke. This smoke is in the form of gas and thus can spread anywhere. With the smoke, the fragrance also reaches the entire room, and thus the fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of a room spread to the other corner. What you see in the picture? We see that the air-filled balloon put in the trough of water is floating, but the apple sinks to the bottom. Apple is a solid substance and hence its density is more. Balloon floats as it is filled with air. that is a gaseous substance. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और अगला वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।